Hi and welcome back to askNK. In today's episode of Free Friday, we will be giving out or sharing out some Cinema 4D resource files so that you can have that amazing materials, models, and also 3D scenes that you would actually want to make but what costs you a lot of time to do. And so if you go over to c4ddownloads.com, you would be able to have access to a very large number of 3D files, so you can see them here. Most of these 3D files are not only for Cinema 4D artists. So if you're into 3D Studio Max, you would also have the ability to get these files, download them and use them for your personal project. There is just a lot of files you can get from here, ranging from models to scenes. You can also get some tips and tutorials directly from this website here. You can also find some materials and shaders, free textures, which are textures that you can use. So it doesn't matter if you're using Cinema 4D or you're using any other DCC app, you can always make use of the free textures here and use them for any application at all that you're making use of. Then we also have a plugin section where you can find some plugins that you can use. And how this works is incredibly amazing. The fact that these things are free and you can use them for your personal project without any licensing issues is amazing. So real quick, I'm just going to go ahead and open up one particular file, which I think would make good justice to this. And here I have this plush giraffe toy. It's a 3D model. And when you go ahead and download this file, or before you download this file, you're going to be notified about the file format that this supports. And so the file format for this one is Cinema 4D V-Ray and Arnold. And you can also see 3D Studio Max V-Ray. But nonetheless, it doesn't mean that you cannot render this with any other DCC app or any other rendering engine. And so I've downloaded this file. And once you download a file like this, it comes in a zip file. So once you have it in a zip file, you can go ahead and extract the files and extract the textures as well. And you can use these textures depending on the rendering engine you're working at or working with. And you can also use the textures to shade these characters how you want. So here I have these plush giraffe directly inside Cinema 4D, and I'm just going to go ahead and render this using Redshift. I've gone ahead to actually plug the textures directly into Redshift material, and if I come through and just simply hit the IPR and press the playback button, you would see that it starts rendering. What's remaining here is just a matter of you being able to tweak the light and tweak how you want the textures to be, and after that you would be able to have this for your personal use. And I know a website like this would be of unlimited resource and unlimited help for artists, especially artists that are trying to get their feet wet into making models, and artists that have a lot of things that they would want to create, but have little team members or have little time to actually make them work. So tell me what you guys think about this in the comment section. And this is this episode of Free Friday. If you want to find more Free Friday stuff, there's a lot of them in the channel and you would be able to find them. Just go over to the channel, look for the playlist called Free Friday, and you're going to get a lot of free stuffs for your own personal use and for your personal projects. I would like to know what you guys think about this in the comment section below. Do you make use of Cinema 4D files? Is this a wonderful resource page for you? I would like to know what you think about this in the comment section below. And if you like this video, simply give it a like and don't forget to share with your friends. And if you're new here, it would be amazing if you can just hit that subscribe button and also turn on notifications so you'll be the first to know once we release a new video. And until I see you guys again with a tutorial review, Free Friday updates, tips and tricks, things like this, peace.